Good morning, everybody. It's another. Oh my god, that day is crazy. I decided to make that video after I saw this crazy candle. Oh my god, I don't know. Did a lot of you just like, oh my god, let's just go bullish. Oh my god, it is a bearish. It's definitely a crazy candle. You don't want to see this in any chart because it's very unpredictable. You see something like that, it's about to be extremely unpredictable. And you're not going to see a lot of these candles. Like, if you just keep going back in history, I don't know. I don't like these candles. I don't know about you, but they're not my favorite at all. And even if we go on hourly, you're not going to see a lot of these weird candles. They look like a needle, but not really a needle. They look like a post. They look like we're about. I don't want to be too graphic here, but it doesn't remind me of good things. But what does it mean here? Well, I made my analysis a couple of days ago. Said, well, that's a bearish divergence. You can really see it here. Doesn't look like it will go more than that. It will have to retrace back. I made my levels for retracement about the 26, 26.5. It went all the way down. I didn't like that because it was supposed to take a couple of days. It went all the way up, and now it is teasing us. It goes a little up, a little down, a little up, a little down. It's almost consolidating, but the consolidation you can see on the MACD is just getting weaker, right? Come on, you can tell it's getting just weaker and weaker and weaker, which means it need to drop. It's a bearish signal, uh, which is fine. Like, this is definitely a bearish signal, and but it's not that bad. It's not like gloom and doom. Yeah, you can see the bearish signal on the 4 hourly too. Okay. This kind of looks very similar to this one. If you see that movement when it went all the way up, then we couldn't break the 25, then it has retraced a little back. Does this mean this will have to trace all the way down? No, that doesn't mean that, because in the bigger scale, that was an Elliott wave, right? One, two, three, four, five, A, B, C. Then we start again counting. Uh, what does it mean? It means in the daily, you can see it even more here. If I bring this one, two, three, four, five, then you have your A, B, C. Then you count again. One, this time is bigger, right? Two, it can be here or here. Then you go for the 3 to the 1.6. I would even say the 2.6. Okay. Then 4. Then you can go here. That looks much better. Okay. So, yeah, a retracement here is not doom and gloom. It makes sense. It's healthy. I keep saying that. It is expected. You're supposed to have that. You know what I'm saying? That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Okay. So, what is happening now? Well, I believe we are in the second wave. We're retracing back. We're retracing back, which is totally fine. It's just people are biting their nails. They don't know what's going on. This is another bullish signal. This is actually a bearish signal. That means expect this to go all down. We're gonna be going down here. When I say down, people freak out. I didn't mean it gonna go all the way down to 21. Okay, if it goes all the way down to 21, that means this is not an Elliott wave. That means we're just doing whatever. We don't know what we're talking about. Plus, no, that's not correct. Okay, it doesn't have to go all the way down. Okay, that's not correct. So it has to take a little break. Here in the astrology, tomorrow, March 25th, around the PM, of EST, that guy will be changing signs. The Mars will be changing signs. Sun will be directly over the moon. Uh, Definitely expect something different. Definitely expect something different. And when is that exactly? It's around that arrow here. That's why I put that arrow here, because I know I will expect something different. That means if it keeps going down like that, then I would expect a trend reversal. If you keep oscillating like this, then that might go down, drop very quickly here before it can pick up again. So, what I'm saying is, I don't believe it will pick up today and go the bullish trend. I still believe it has to take a little break today and maybe even tomorrow. Just, I know, slowly, drop a little bit. We want to see okay, there's actually on the hourly, you can see here, there's a little divergence between this and this. Like, I don't know if you're gonna consider, but this is not really another low. It's going down, guys, a little bit. It has to come here. It has to come here, and it has to create something here that tells me, well, that's the end of this corrective second wave. Okay, so that's not the time to enter the market. You still have to wait. I didn't think there's any big news coming. I'm just saying some random reports about the Fed screwing up, stuff like that. Because the same bull run will be confirmed if this move is made. Just it seemed like a lot of people are not sure what's going on. Yeah, he's looking at the monthly. The monthly looks very bullish. That's very true. So let's just take a little break. You didn't have to look at the chart each 5 seconds, each 5 minutes, maybe take a look each 5 hours. You know what I'm saying? And let bake a little bit. It need to bake a little bit because we still want to see what's going on global. I'm not seeing any news because news does something. So based on this, yeah, maybe once it goes here, Mars change signs opposing the Mars, you're gonna hear some news. So yeah, maybe we're gonna hear some news by tomorrow noon, which is going to be Saturday over the weekend. We know sometimes crazy things happen over the weekend. If you hear some good news, then yeah, that's your signal. You know what I'm saying? That's your signal. So let's call today is just a waiting day. Do not expect this to go all the way up. I don't believe so. It doesn't say anything here on the chart. It doesn't say anything here on the chart that there's a weird, funky thing that can happen today. They're going to push it up. So let's wait till tomorrow. Have some patience. Let's see what's going on before we reassess again.